To analyze Trust Wallet fingerprint login, start by understanding the concept of biometric authentication and its role in securing digital assets. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to store and manage various cryptocurrencies, and its fingerprint login feature provides an additional layer of security. First, open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings section, where you will find the fingerprint login option. To enable this feature, you will need to register your fingerprint by following the in-app instructions. This process typically involves placing your finger on the device's fingerprint sensor and following the prompts to complete the registration. Once fingerprint login is enabled, the app will use biometric data to verify your identity when you attempt to access your wallet. This provides a more secure alternative to traditional password-based authentication methods. To analyze the security of Trust Wallet fingerprint login, consider the following factors. First, the app's use of biometric data, such as fingerprints, provides a unique and secure way to verify user identity. Second, the app's encryption methods and secure storage of sensitive data help protect user assets. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep your device and the Trust Wallet app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Additionally, make sure to use a secure device with a trusted fingerprint sensor, and avoid using public or unsecured devices to access your wallet. By following these steps and considering the key factors involved, you can effectively analyze the Trust Wallet fingerprint login feature and understand how it contributes to the overall security of your digital assets. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your cryptocurrency holdings.